I was waiting a long time, actually maybe like a month, to make this review just to make sure this fits your needs. And I can tell it's a very wide head shower. As you see my hand, I can tell maybe 6 inches, and it's safe water. I'm gonna open it for you for the video. And as you see, the middle one is the biggest stream, and the ones in the around, they're smaller, saving you a lot amount of water. It's not a direct jet stream, it's very light, but in my opinion works really good if you plan it to save water. If you don't like soft stream, this product is not for you. In my case, I like soft stream, and I suggest you to get it to save money for sure.